Hi everybody, this is Micah at Fons. Just wanted to do a quick video of our newest feature that many of you have been asking for, an expense feature. So you can now add expenses. You just come over to the reporting tab, expenses. Right here you can add categories, you can add vendors, or you can actually do it on the fly as well. I'll just show you how to add them on the fly. Come here, pick your date, whatever date it's for. Let's see, vendor. Then you just want to click right here, add, and that will be saved under your list of vendors. And then right here, you can add a memo, not add one. Just add that. Then you can also come here and type in a type of category. I'm going to add it here. And then you can even choose a file. You can come here, select your receipt. You want to put in your amount. And then you can also add an additional item to this if you're purchasing something else on the same receipt. Click Save. And then you'll see it right here in your July expenses. You can click right here on the caret and you can edit that. You can view the receipt or you can delete it as well. Okay, everybody, enjoy and keep those feature requests coming.